Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2018 24 Dauntless Pro. It's the 60th anniversary edition, and when they came out with their 60th anniversary edition, they did two things differently. They took the T-top and they made it a half tower with full controls. So not all boats have that. They have the tower, but they don't always have the full control, so you do get that. And the second thing we'll talk about when we get on the boat is they took the bench seat out and they put a live well and a couple of storage on either side. So much better setup for fishing in the back. You'll see the light blue colored hull, the rubber rail with the stainless steel insert. You do have a bow rail going up around on the front for safety. And as we get to the back of the boat, you're going to notice we've got trim tabs. You've got the Atlas jack, and gets you into, helps you raise the engine up if you want, gets you into shallow water, along with the blade, power pole. It's an 8-foot, gets you into 8 foot of water. So again, for anchoring in very shallow water, it's real simple. So two good setups for getting you into the backwaters very safely. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up in the 24 Dauntless Pro. The second part of I wanted to show you was from the inside the boat view is with the old Dauntless. There was a bench seat here. This is set up a little bit better for fishing. So you've got plenty of platform back here. You've got rod holders. You've got two storage, one on port and one on starboard side. Good for fenders, lines, that type of thing. This is a nice addition right here. The live well normally was under the seat, so this is a much better setup all the way around the board. So live well here, and now we've got it shown with one of the, if you're not fishing for the day and you just want to go for a ride at the beach or something to eat, you can put the cushions down, a little backrest go actually down into the rod holders, so you can have a couple of people sitting comfortably in the back of the boat. Underneath the helm seat, you've got the slide out tray with the Yeti cooler on it. Large Yeti cooler, take you for a full day of fun, no problem. 4 rod holders in the back of this bench seat, and 4 more up above. So the boat is loaded up with rod holders. And then we have the comfortable captain's seat here for 2 people, so you can have the captain can have somebody riding with them, which is always captain appreciates that. And then we've got the Fusion stereo, you've got the active trim, you've got the traditional Whaler steering wheel, trim tabs, you've got your Smart Craft, which will give you all your pressures, your temperatures and fuel burns and all that is all in here. Gives you a spot here for a GPS, you can add that yourself. You've got dry storage in there with a USB and a regular lighter style charger, so it's phones safely away, dry, all gaskets around here to keep it all dry. All your rockers right here, and then you've got your digital shifter. It's all fly-by-wire now. No, when you put it in gear, it goes. You don't have to put it halfway down anymore. It's the digital throttle and shift are the way to go. Let's move around to the head area. And you'll see it just came in, so it's just it has everything all packaged up. But it's got a pump out head. You've got a window for extra lighting and fresh air if you do need it. But pretty good size. I mean, you can change your clothes in here. There's enough room to do that. And then we've got another live well right here. So you just pull that up. So now you've got a live well in the back and a live well in the bow as well. 4 more rod holders. Again, you've got plenty of rod holders. And let's hop up onto the tower and take a look from there. So we're hopping up into the tower, the half tower. We're going to start with it's in front of the helm, the lower helm station. You've got a really comfortable boutique. It's very cushiony under the feet, very comfortable to stand on. And if you don't want to stand, behind it you have the helm seat. So it's plenty of room for 2 people to sit up there with the captain. And as we come around underneath the helm here, we've got a compass. And then you'll notice we got a full electronics package up here. You got your 2 smart crafts. So there's all your temperatures, pressures, everything you need. You got the remote control for the stereo. You've got your regular phone jack and your USB charger there as well. You've got your trim tabs here, and you've got your auto trim up in the front as well, which regulates the trim on the engines. And then another digital throttle and shift. And you have the a second traditional whaler steering wheel as well. And I'm going to hop up to the bow for a second. The bow is set up extremely well. You've got the 2 seats here. If you're just going up for the beach and fun and restaurant, whatever you want to do. Nice lounging, good for watching the sunset. So you have that there. Plenty of room up here. We have the anchor up on the anchor cabinet right there. So that opens up. You can deploy the anchor from the bow. And then here, you open this up. Real large fish box. So plenty of room to keep the fish that you catch. It's just an all-around fantastic boat, especially around here in Naples. You can take this in the backwaters with the power pole, with the jack plate. It's real comfortable. You can get into low water, and it's safe enough to take it out in the Gulf as well. So very versatile boat. If you'd like to make an appointment to come see it, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman. My number is 603-213-1194.